just because you can weld, make a bead, that doesn't make you a welder. And I said that to a gentleman, and I think I hurt his feelings, but I was only being real with him. And I was saying that because he was overconfident. You know, he was like, "Oh, I can weld." I'm like, "Yeah, you can weld. You can make a bead, but you don't know how to determine the thickness. You don't know how to make a smaller bead. All your beads are big. You don't know how to determine what rod to use on what metal. You don't know how to set the machine correctly. You don't know how to be able to determine, okay, on this situation, I got to go a vertical weld. I can't go downhill, you know, or whatever the situation is. You just know how to make a decent bead, and you do that. But that doesn't make you a welder, to me personally. I think you got to learn how to set the machine. You need to know what type of rod you're using on what material. You need to know what this rod is capable of. You need to know that this 7018 is 70,000 pounds per square inch. You need to know what the 6010 can hold. You need to know what rod to use. To me, that makes you a welder. You know, just because you can burn a bead, you know, once you get the game a little bit, anybody can do that. What to be a welder though, you got to be able to discern what to do in what situations, how to do it in a messed up situation, thinking outside of the box. That makes you a welder. So, are you a welder? Or can you just weld? You tell me. Hold on.